In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, the traditional notion of a senior developer is being challenged. 10 years of experience is no longer the golden ticket it once was. Software development is undergoing a fundamental shift. Code that once required hours of effort can now be generated in seconds. And that changes what it means to be valuable. The days when experience alone could guarantee success are over. With AI writing code, the old model of relying solely on years of experience has collapsed. Large language models have changed the economics of coding. Boilerplate, test cases, even complex patterns are now instantly accessible. Code is no longer scarce. This shift is already acknowledged at the highest levels. Satya Nadella has described a future where developers increasingly orchestrate and manage AI-generated code, rather than writing everything themselves. The role is changing faster than the career framework around it. One of the biggest effects of AI is something most people overlook: skill compression. A junior developer using modern AI tools can now produce work that once required years of experience. Even Sam Altman has suggested that the future of programming may involve far fewer people writing code in the traditional sense, with AI handling much of the implementation. But this creates a new kind of risk. Developers are now shipping code they didn't write and don't fully understand. The value of an engineer is shifting from writing code to understanding systems, from output to accountability. Modern systems don't fail because of one bad function. They fail because multiple correct components interact in unexpected ways. And this is where AI still struggles. As Jensen Huang has emphasized, AI doesn't replace engineers. It amplifies them, but only those operating at the right level. So what does this mean for your career? For junior developers, your advantage is no longer how fast you learn syntax, but how effectively you use AI. For mid-level developers, the shift is from building features to owning systems. For senior engineers, the role is no longer implementation. It is design, foresight, and decision-making. The distinction between coders and engineers is becoming more pronounced. Coders write code and follow logic, while engineers design systems, oversee AI, and define logic. The ability to predict failures, understand non-linear behavior, and think beyond implementation is the skill that truly matters in today's tech environment. Engineers will be evaluated based on risk mitigation, architectural durability, system clarity, and AI oversight, reflecting the new priorities in the industry. The role of developers is transforming, not disappearing. Coding is now a fundamental requirement, but analytical thinking and system manipulation are the new battlegrounds for success. If you want to see if your resume is ready for this shift, head over to resumegauge.com and scan your profile against the jobs you want to apply. Don't get filtered, get ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this analysis helpful, please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the job market.